करंट रेशियो के लिए क्वेश्चन आपके बोर्ड पे लिख रहा हूं एंड देन वी कलेक्टिवली सॉल्व दिस. Trade receivable 1,80,000. Prepaid expenses 40,000. Cash and cash equivalent 50,000. Marketable securities 50,000. जमीन जायदाद लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग 5 लाख. Stay calm please everyone. Bills payable 20,000. Sundry creditors 1 lakh. Debentures 4 lakh. Inventories 80,000. Expenses payable 80,000. Let's bifurcate the current assets and current liability. पहले current assets. Trade receivable, prepaid expenses, cash, marketable securities, inventories. तो ये हो गया 180 प्लस.
सर ये मार्केटेबल सिक्योरिटी क्या होती है?
प्लस 50. Stay calm for 2 minutes please. Plus 50 plus 80. So it comes out to be 1, 2, 20, 3 and 4 lakh. And then we talk about current liabilities. Let me change the color. Current liabilities. BP is a current liability. Sundry creditors is a current liability. Expenses payable is a current liability. So 20,000 plus 1 lakh plus 80,000. So 2 lakh. Now current ratio. Current ratio is equal to 4 lakh divided by 2 lakh. A simple answer. 2:1. Now if they ask us liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets upon current liability. Liquid asset is equal to total current assets minus ये दो चीजें कट जाएंगी. Minus 40,000 that is prepaid expense minus 80,000 that is inventory. So 2,80,000. So liquid ratio is 280 upon current liability, that is 2 lakh. So that is 1.4:1. इसका मतलब हुआ कि जितनी करंट लाइबिलिटीज हैं उसके ट्वाइस करंट एसेट्स हैं फर्म के पास और 1.4 टाइम्स लिक्विड एसेट्स हैं फर्म के पास. दैट इज हाउ इट इज. नाउ क्वेश्चन लिखिए. करंट एसेट्स 5 लाख. इन्वेंट्रीज 2.5 लाख. वर्किंग कैपिटल 3 lakh. What we have to find out is current ratio. Have a look please here. सबसे पहले इस वर्किंग कैपिटल और करंट एसेट्स की हेल्प से मैं करंट लाइबिलिटी निकाल पाऊंगा because I know working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. Sorry. So working capital is how much? 3 lakh. Current asset I know it is 5 lakh. But current liabilities I don't know. So let current liability is equal to 2 lakh. Now it is a simple question. Current ratio is equal to current assets, that is 5 lakh, upon current liabilities, that is 2 lakh. So it is, rather than 5:2, you write it 2.5:1. So it is easily comparable. Ke boss, whatever current liability is, current asset is 2.5 times of current assets or current liability. Jot it down, please. Jot it down.
Sir?
Jot it down. हमारे पास करंट रेशियो भी दी है और वर्किंग कैपिटल दी है. उसने बोला है करंट एसेट्स और करंट लाइबिलिटीज फाइंड आउट करो. तो इट्स सिंपल. सी वर्किंग कैपिटल इज व्हाट. यहाँ पे ध्यान दे बेटा. Look at the answer. Working capital is current asset minus current liability. Am I right? Working capital is what? Current asset minus current liabilities is equal to 1,50,000. Can I say current asset is equal to 1,50,000 plus current liabilities? Now, we know current asset upon current liability is equal to 2.5 upon 1. That's given in the question. Now, putting current assets की जगह 1,50,000 plus CL upon CL is equal to 2.5 upon 1. It makes it 1,50,000 plus CL is equal to 2.5 CL. Then 2.5 CL minus CL is equal to 1,50,000. So it comes out to be 1.5 CL is equal to 1,50,000 and CL is equal to 1 lakh. So if we have CL, we can find out CA also, putting it here. CA minus 1 lakh is equal to 1,50,000. So CA is equal to 2,50,000. That's my answer. Note it down. So कैसे करेंगे? We are given with two ratios, current assets and current liabilities, current ratio and liquid ratio we are given. Current asset and current liabilities we have to find out. Stock is given, stock or inventory. Now, current ratio is equal to CA upon CL is equal to 4.5 upon 1. Can I say CA is equal to 4.5 times CL and let it be equation number 1. Similarly, LR is equal to LA upon CL is equal to 3 upon 1. So LA is equal to 3 times CL. Let it be equation number 2. Now I know CA minus stock minus prepaid expenses is equal to LA. Do I know this? Yes, I do. Now current assets, I don't know. Current assets ki jagah, what I put is from equation 1, 4.5 CL. From this equation, I put 4.5 CL. Stock is given with me 36,000. Prepaid expense I assume 0 क्योंकि वो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है भी नहीं. हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव CA और CL फाइंड आउट करना है. तो we can assume prepaid expense as 0 क्योंकि अगर उसको भी अगर मैं लेके चलूंगा तो फिर मैं फाइंड आउट. और LA की जगह I put 3 CL. Now the whole equation is in terms of CL. I say 4.5 CL minus 3 CL is equal to 36,000. So can I say 1.5 CL is equal to 36,000? Can I say CL is equal to 36,000 divided by 1.5? Can I say that? So 36,000 upon 1.5, how much does it come? कितना आता है जरा बताओ. 36,000 divided by 1.5.
So 24,000.
24,000, correct. So 24,000 is CL. I can put this 24,000 in equation 1. I can find out CA. I can put this here and I can find out LA. So I can find out LA, CA, CL, all of 3 from this answer.